Subjects report recognition without memory. A stranger, familiar, but unnamed. They glance twice, then hesitate, then say nothing. This is common, repeated across regions, different cities. Identical reactions, same facial structure, same tone, same mannerisms. The subject does not know them, but the system does. It's a reused instance, a recycled model, loaded again, a slight variation, enough to pass, but not enough to forget. This is not déjà vu, it's template recall. End of log.